Hello friends, welcome to the technical check on the markets. Markets have closed negative today, but I'll not be expecting markets to go below 5800, which will act as a very crucial support here. And if the market goes below those levels, then it might just go to 5700 because it is the downward sloping trend line here, and that will be a very crucial support. If it goes below that, then it will be the medium term outlook would change, the short term outlook would change. The momentum indicator is still on the positive side, so the strategy should be to buy on declines. Support would be around 5800 and 5700. The targets would be around 6100 in the very short term. On the hourly charts, we've been trading in this channel now and we've been consolidating in last 2 or 3 trading sessions. I'll be expecting this consolidation to continue for next couple of days or one more day and then start the momentum on the upside. So the positive momentum is expected to continue. Small consolidation expected in next coming 1 or 2 sessions, but overall trend remains intact, positive. The momentum indicator on the hourly charts have given a sell signal, but I'll be expecting this entire cycle to complete and then give a buy signal, so that this would just consolidate in a range and then give a breakout of this range. Bank Nifty also have given a negative close, but I'll not be expecting too much of negativity in this sector. I'll be expecting this stock to consolidate, the sector to consolidate above 20 and 40 daily moving average, which will be around 10,000 levels. So a small consolidation in this area and then again a new move on the upside. The momentum indicator is still on the buy side on the daily chart, so the strategy should be to buy on declines. Support would be around 9976 and 9658. Resistance would be around 10460 and 10850. GAIL is looking good. Inverted hidden shoulder pattern has broken on the upside with good volumes, trading about 20 and 40 daily moving average. So I'll be expecting a good rally on the upside. Support would be around 304 and 298. Resistance would be around 317 and 333. The second stock we've chosen is Asian Paints. An ending diagonal pattern, expanding ending diagonal pattern has formed here and also broken on the upside. High tops, high bottom formation has been formed, trading about 20 and 40 daily moving average. The momentum indicator has given a buy signal. So overall, it is looking extremely good to me here, and I'll be expecting a good rally. Support would be around 429 and 415. Resistance would be around 458 and 474. So overall friends, things are looking good. I'll be expecting a good rally in next week, and targets would be around 6100. Thank you so much.